Rations.
Hello, you're watching NewsX. I'm Riya Dwivedi. Now let's take a look at some breaking news coming in terms of Vijay Diwas. Prime Minister Modi has now posted on social media platform X about Vijay Diwas and said, "We honor the courage and the sacrifices of the brave soldiers," and said that their selfless dedication and unwavering resolve has safeguarded the nation and brought glory to all of us. So that's the latest that's coming in at this point of time. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also tweeted about the Vijay Diwas and posted on his social media platform X. We have with us my colleague Mehndi Garg joining us on the telecast. Mehndi, we're seeing that today, as it marks Vijay Diwas, now Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also tweeted about it to pay tribute to the sacrifices made by the armed forces.
Well, yes, Riya, on the occasion of Vijay Diwas, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has extended heartfelt greetings to the valiant soldiers who played a pivotal role in, securing India's historic triumph in the 1971 war, and also taking to his X platform, he expressed his profound admiration for their courage and also the selfless sacrifices. And talking about what he has posted on his X platform, then I quote unquote, that today on Vijay Diwas, we pay homage to the unmatched bravery and also the sacrifices of the courageous soldiers whose dedication and also resolve led to India's resounding victory in 1971, and their commitment to safeguarding our nation and upholding its honor remains an eternal source of pride for every Indian. And also he further emphasized, Riya, that this day serves as a solemn reminder of the extraordinary valor and also the steadfast spirit demonstrated by the soldiers in the war, and also whose sacrifices not only safeguarded the country but also reshaped its destiny. So their unwavering dedication to their duty, he said, is a beacon of inspiration of for generations to come, and also deeply etched in the annals of our nation's history. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi also urged citizens to remember and honor these heroes whose legacy continues to inspire a spirit of patriotism and also resilience across the country. Yes, Riya.
All right, Mehndi, thank you for joining us on the telecast. After fiery exchange over the constitution in